Hi reception, it's maths time today. So we are going to be counting on to warm up our maths brains. We're going to be locking in the number 5 and counting on from 5. So we don't need to say the number 5, we have to just lock it in our brain. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And back again all the way to 0. Here we go. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Blast off! Super, ready for our next math starter. I'm going to clap and you're going to tell me how many claps I have done. So you might want to close your eyes for this. I'll help you with the first one. Listen carefully. Count in your head, it's a little trick. How many claps did I do? 4. You're right. Next one, here you go. Use your fingers, hold up your fingers. How many claps did I do? 7. You're right. Last time, here we go. Close your eyes, listen carefully. Show me on your fingers. Are you ready? 10. Superstar. Give yourselves a whoop whoop. Right, keep on going with our maths brains. We've got some quick fire number recognition. Are you ready? What number have I got here? 4. Fantastic. 3. Well done. Oh, getting a bit trickier. Are we ready? He's got 2 digits. 10. Amazing. 5, and we're going to need our number 5 today, so lock that one in your brain. Here we go. Sometimes we struggle with this one a little bit. 12, you're right, it is number 12. And 11. That's Mrs Nettey's favourite number. 1, 11. A bit challenging. 15. Well done. It's got the 5 and the 1 comes first and then the 5, but it makes 15. 13. Super. I think we're ready to go on to our maths lesson for today. So I've got a little family of pens. We've got orange pen, red pen, yellow pen, brown pen and purple pen. And I've just gone round my house and chosen 5 things that I could get my hands on. So you don't have to use pens. You could maybe use spoons or some little toys, maybe some little dinosaurs or some counters. Whatever you've got 5 of, you can go and get them and you can come and help Mrs Nettey do some of our number bonds to 5. Now to help us out, I've drawn our number 5 on my paper here in the circle because this is the whole number. We're always going to start with 5. So when they're all together, it makes 5. And we're going to see what 2 parts we can add together to make 5 as well. So just whilst we're waiting to make sure we can do a number 5, here we go. Here's Mrs Nettey's little tricks. One of the ways you can do a 5 is you can go down his body, big tummy, and he wears a hat. Can you do it with me? Down his tummy, big tummy, and he wears a hat. Number 5, you're going to need that one today. So here we are. Here's Mrs Nettey's number 5 in as my hole. And I need to know how I can separate these pens to bring me back 5. We're going to hide this one away in a minute. So here's my family of 5 pens. And I am just going to separate them into 2 groups any way I want. Here we go. Let's count how many we've got over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got 4 over here. So in my first circle, I am going to write the number 4. And then over here, I've got just 1. So I am going to write in my circle the number 1. And I can now see that 4 pens add 1 pen equals 5 pens all together. Did you get that as well? So really easy, putting them back as a whole. And I just separated them into 2 groups. Now I've got 4 over here and 1 over here, which must make 5 all together. Okay, next one, put them back again. We're going to separate them again. Can you help me? I'm going to this time, I'm going to do a different amount in each group. I'm going to put these ones over here and these ones over here. Help me count how many I've got in my first group. 1, 2, 3. So on my paper over here, I can draw my first circle and I can do my number 3. Now number 3 is quite difficult. Sometimes we do it backwards, but here's my little trick. Around the tree, that's what makes a number 3. Perfect. Let's find out how many we've got in our other one then. So I've got 3 in this group over here, and I've got 1, 2 over here. Let me have a go at my number 2 then. So my next circle, I've got to have a number 2. Here's my little trick again. Round the duck's head, down his body, give him a little tail. Makes a number 2. So I know that 3 pens add 2 pens equals 5 pens all together. Let's do one more. Here we go. I'm going to put 5 pens over here. And here's my second group. I wonder how many pens we've got over here. Shall we have a count of our first group first? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count those again. Get them into a nice line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I need to come over here. I need to put my number 5 in my first circle. I wonder what number I'm going to put in my second one. What other part do I need with 5 to make it whole again? How many have I got on this group? I haven't got any, have I? So the answer must be 0. And 0 is so easy to do. It's just a circle. So I know to make 5, I can have 5 in one group and 0 in the other, and the answer will still be 5. So I've got a little challenge for you. Can you go and see if you can do any more of putting your number 5 as the whole and separating them into 2 groups? Were there any that we missed? And also, what do you notice about some of them? You will see that some of them might have the same numbers. Let me know how you get on, reception. See you soon. Bye.